In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SurveyMonkey to build and send surveys, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll take you through every step to ensure you feel confident about creating your own surveys by the end of this guide. Let's begin by signing into your SurveyMonkey account. Whether you're using a free version or a paid subscription, the process is the same. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on Create Survey. Here, you have several options to kick off your new survey. You can choose to start completely from scratch, which is perfect if you have a clear idea of what you want to ask. Alternatively, if you've previously created surveys, you can copy one of those existing surveys and make necessary adjustments. For those who want a bit more guidance, you might select a ready-made template. SurveyMonkey offers a wide range that caters to different purposes and industries. Lastly, for something innovative, you can try Build with AI, a feature that auto-generates surveys based on simple prompts. It's a great way to quickly get a survey up and running. After choosing how to start your survey, it's time to add and organize your questions. Navigate to the Build section, where you'll see options to add or customize questions. You can utilize the question bank, which is a collection of commonly used questions that might fit your needs. Here, you can also divide your survey by inserting page breaks, allowing you to chunk the survey into manageable sections for your respondents. This not only helps in organizing your survey, but also makes it easier for respondents to follow, enhancing their overall experience. Next, we move on to adding logic and design to your survey. Branching logic is an essential feature, as it directs respondents to different parts of the survey based on their previous answers. This ensures that each respondent only sees questions that are relevant to them, improving the precision of your data. Customize the aesthetics of your survey by adjusting layouts, adding your branding, or selecting a theme that aligns with your intent. Don't forget to explore the display options to ensure everything looks just right. Before sending out your survey, it's crucial to preview and test it. Click on the Preview option to experience the survey just as your respondents will. This step allows you to spot any errors or areas of improvement. If you have collaborators, invite them to review and provide feedback. Their insights can be invaluable in refining your survey before it goes live. Once your survey is polished and ready, it's time to send it out and begin collecting responses. Head over to the Collect Responses tab, where you'll see various options to distribute your survey. You can send it via a link, email, or even embed it on your website, among other methods. Choose the distribution method that best suits your audience. Finally, with responses coming in, you'll want to analyze the data. SurveyMonkey offers a suite of built-in tools that make it easy to view results. You can see charts and patterns at a glance or delve into individual answers for a more detailed view. By following these steps, you should now be able to confidently create, distribute, and analyze surveys on SurveyMonkey. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!